Ano kaya yung mga itsura ng mga dagat dito sa Sydney? Tara, samahan nyo kami. Let's go!
Where are we going?
Beach.
What beach?
What beach?
You don't know what beach?
Yeah.
Manly.
Oh, okay. Only.
We're going to Manly Beach. Thank you.
Thank you.
No problem. Arigo, thanks. See ya. Near Market City.
So before going to the beach, syempre, minom muna kami ng refreshments.
Okay, we are here now in Town Hall and we're heading to the ferry station in Circular Quay.
Yes.
Because the tram's not working, so we're going there. So I'm with my friends Nathan, Homa, Ed, and Derek. Okay.
Why is not walking terrain?
I don't know. You wanna ask the driver?
Okay. Hey, driver. Why?
Why?
Why not walking terrain? I don't know.
Look, there's a lot of people going on, crossing the street. We are here in Town Hall. Pinoy ba yun? Nagmura. Sabi niya, excuse me, tangi. Pero may dala siya eh, di ba? Para siya may dala. Okay, see you. So we are here now in Circular Quay. Look at the tram there. We're going to the beach and look at our outfits. Tignan mo yung mga damitan namin, oh. Ganyan lang yung mga damitan namin. Parang nakapambahay lang sa Sydney. Di ba? We are here in Wharf 3. Warap ako ng Wharf 3. So we're going to Manly Beach. Oy, let's go 2 minutes. 2 minutes? Tara. Let's go. Late na kami. Abot. Abot.
Hurry up.
Let's go up. You wanna go upstairs?
Yes. Yeah, no, she actually did things. I thought that you do ask me. Yes.
Let's go outside. Outside.
Yeah.
Sobrang bilis lang makapunta sa mga dagat dito sa Sydney. Like mga 20-30 minutes away lang gamit ang train, bus, or ferry. Dito sa pupuntahan namin, ferry ang gagamitin namin.
No more space? Di, meron pa dun. Dun, oh. Saan? Dun.
Maganda tong ferry na nasakyan namin dahil makikita ang Opera House at ang Harbour Bridge.
Opera House dun, oh.
From Circular Quay Station, papunta ng Manly Wharf, bali 20 minutes lang ang aabutin ng biyahe.
Ay, wala na. Ayun.
Sino maganda?
Let's go. 2020 ba? Alden Richards, no? Si Alden Richards, oh. Sa Opera House, oh, yun, oh.
Guys, sorry.
Oh, Edo. Opera House. Oh. Are you happy, Oma?
Yes.
Very happy?
Yes.
Nice. the upper
Pero
half.
nakikita ko na yung mga tao. Ay, mga tao.
Mga tao!
Tao pala yun.
Minsan, kapag ka day off mo, ano yung mga gusto mong gawin? Kung may pagkakataon, maganda talagang pumunta sa dagat kasi nakaka-relax yung feeling ng dagat, di ba? Kaya ito, tinry namin pumunta sa Manly para mag-relax. Dito sobrang lakas na nung hangin kasi sa labas kami pumwesto. Sobrang ginaw niyan at hindi mo mapigilan yung hangin.
Are you ready to swim? Okay. You know how to swim? No. You don't know how to swim? Sino? Sino? That.
Because there is shark in the sea.
There's shark? Daming tao.
Summer season kasi ngayon kaya madaming tao.
Oh, cold.
You want tao? So, nandito kami sa Coles. Bibili kami ng chichirya. Bili muna kami chichirya, guys. Anong bibilin mo? What are you going to buy, Homa? Nothing?
By myself.
By yourself, I bought Doritos and water. So, let's go! Ito nga pala bayad dito. Pakita ko sa inyo. Video me. I show them how to pay. You gotta put it and then you scan it.
Don't forget to click the card.
And then scan. And then you pay. Pay.
He will buy chips and water.
Okay, then skip. Then you're gonna tap your card here. But my card is here. Wait. Just hold. I just get the card.
And the digits and the last four of the back.
Ano ko na lang yun.
Pwede?
Pwede. Okay, so that's it. That's how you pay here in gold. Okay, Homa. Where are we now?
Yochi.
No, Manly. Look, show them Manly. Ooh. We are now here in Manly Beach. Look. So nasa Manly na kami, guys. Ang daming tao ngayon. There's a lot of people here. But it's okay. Maybe let's go towards that direction. Okay, nandito na tayo. Wow, Manly. Ngayon ka na naka-beach dito, no? Ikaw din? Ikaw din? Kailan ka ba dumating dito? Let's go!
Almost 1 year and...
Oh, sige, interview natin si Tagle.
Yeah, 1 year and 7 months.
1 year and 7 months ka na dito. Almost the same lang tayo, pre.
Almost lang, yes bro.
Pero ngayon ka lang naka-beach.
Ngayon lang naka-beach talaga ng swimming. Nakikita ko yung
Ay,
ibang beach,
oh.
pero first time ko lang sa Manly Beach.
Okay, dito tayo sa
Pala yung
Manly.
tsura ng Manly Beach, may mga sand, saka water.
Siyempre, dagat siya eh. Siyempre. Asan tayo? Saan tayo magbe-base?
Siya, marami kahit siya ka matulog ka, no?
Doon tayo, doon. Tara. Oh, toilet muna daw.
Bali, nandito na kami sa Manly Beach at sobrang lapit niya lang talaga. Like, mga 20 minutes away lang sa city, which is kung saan kami nakatira. Kaya, kung may pagkakataon, talagang pupunta kami at pupunta dito.
Sarap tumambay lang ng ganito, pre. Diyan ka lang, tatambay ka lang dyan. Titignan mo lang yung dagat. I-appreciate mo lang yung beauty ng dagat, ganun.
Ay, dagat ba? Ay, sorry, sa iba ko nakatingin.
Hindi tinitignan mo. Ikaw
Live animals.
Yung mga creation.
Yung mga birds. And yun na yung dog.
Oh, yung mga ganun. Yung mga dogs, yan. Uy, pwede ka umupo dyan. Yes. Okay, we are now here in Manly Beach. Look at the view. Very nice. Let's go home.
Marami talagang dagat dito sa Australia. Sobrang ganda. Dahil malapit lang ang Manly sa amin, ito muna ang pinuntahan namin. Pero sa mga susunod na pagkakataon, pupuntahan din natin yung iba't ibang dagat dito.
Ooh, so nice. Look at the sand. So fine. Hey, swim! Swim now!
Iba't iba talaga ang rason ng mga tao kapag nagpupunta sa dagat. Yung iba dyan, para mag-relax, para magsaya, para makipag-socialize, para makipag-connect sa nature, para mag-exercise, para sa photograph, mag-picture, para sa IG. Yung iba para mag-cool off. At iba-iba pang rason ng mga tao. Kayo, pag nagpupunta kayo sa beach, ano ba ang dahilan ninyo?
I will not swim because it's so cold and I don't have an underwear. They're swimming right now. Look at that. So these two are now swimming. Look at them. They're enjoying the water. Cold water. But look at the view, man. Look at the view. Look at the view, huh? Alden Richards in the house. Alden. May ganun pa. So now guys, we are going home. Thank you for watching.
See you guys.
Bye-bye. Then you put your hand like that.